popularly popular.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I broke it out. Stacy Clarence, the least popular girl in school,
I'm Stacy.
is about to get a whole makeover by boobs.
Oh my god.
Hey, you're not very attractive.
You
You're
have
not popular.
boobs.
And I have no boobs. Obviously.
But I can fix that. And you'll be dating the second most popular guy in school. Besides me.
You can?
You're a guy.
Yeah.
We're at the senior homecoming prom.
I'm pretty.
Now let's get you hooked up with a guy.
Hi, I'm Stacy's boyfriend.
Hey.
You want to dance? I have boobs. This fall, a makeup over. Oh my God, is that Jessica? Oh my God, you're Jessica's boyfriend. What am I doing? Oh my God, she's looking at you.
What are you doing with my boyfriend, Stacy Clarence?
It's not what it looks like. You're just trying to have a good time.
I made you and I can unmarry